Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. If you're unable to see Ubuntu full screen in VirtualBox, this video is for you. So open your VirtualBox and where you see your Ubuntu installation, just do a right click and then go to settings. And here in settings, we need to go to display and graphics controller. Please make sure it is not selected to none, it should be SVGA. Just try one by one. So currently I can see it was selected VM SVGA, so you can also do that, or whatever the graphics controller you have. Once you select it, just click on OK. Now the next thing which we need to do is click on Start and it will open up the VirtualBox for you. Now here I'll just select Ubuntu. I'll just quickly log into my account, enter the password and hit enter. Now we need to go to devices and then we need to click on this insert guest addition CD image. Now since I have already done it, so it's giving me an error, but in your case, once you click on this device and then insert guest additions, it will ask you to run, and you just need to run it, close the Ubuntu and then reopen Ubuntu, and you will be able to see just like this, the way I'm seeing it. You can also do that and let me know in the comment section if you have done it, and if you have any kind of issues, please let me know. I'll try my best to fix it, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.